So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and add in inside of Strikingly is a card element. So to go ahead and do that, here you can see that I have the make your own section right here. I can click on the add elements button, and here you can see that I have card. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then this is what I have as I can see. So I can go around over here and bold it. Let's say, for example, I can bold this out as well and so forth. You can actually go around over here and let's say, for example, change up the color right here. You can actually go around over here and let's say, for example, change around the layout. So you can go ahead and change it to grid and to list as well. So you can see that the card actually has a border, and you can actually go ahead and change the size of the image that you have right here, change around the alignment as you can see, and even enable out a button right here. So that is what you have, and in the border and card you can see that the card mode is on right here. You can go ahead and turn it off to make it a regular block and enable this right here and change out the color of the card and the color of the border right here of the card as well. So this is how you can go ahead and work around with the card element inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.